focused on BirdDog e-commerce today, but at the end of the day, BirdDog is really a platform that sits on top of Macola. And so, so if you're used to dealing with other e-commerce products out there that that might integrate with your ERP system, what they typically say is that they're going to integrate, with your ERP system. What they really mean is that they're going to import-export to your ERP system. And so they're going to have a set of customer databases, and they're going to push that into yours, and they're going to suck their back out, and you're going to suck your items out and your pricing out, and then they're going to push orders back in. And so that's not how we work. We don't do that when we're dealing with Macola Progression and Macola ES and EM10. We literally sit on top of Macola. And so when we talk about BirdDog customers, what we mean is Macola customers. When we talk about BirdDog pricing, what we mean is Macola pricing, and account balances and production orders, inventory, all of those things come out of Macola. And so what we've done is we've actually added extra tables into Macola to store all of the data that we need that Macola doesn't have a place for. So, for example, we use the item table right out of Macola. So when you say an item number, people ask, well, how do I get my items imported into BirdDog? Done. They're just there. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go build a website. So we're going to build a structure, and we will apply items or import items to particular pages. But as far as saying, how do I get them to where I can see them in BirdDog? Well, you don't. You just turn it on, and you do a search for items, and oh, there's all my items. Yeah, they're all just there. And so, because we're using that. But on the flip side, if we need pictures, or we need, a beautiful, big, long description, or a lot of custom fields, all of that stuff is stored in support tables that set inside of your Macola table. And so many of our customers, even ones that don't do e-commerce, actually use our product as basically as a product management tool, because we're so robust in the amount of data that you can store in our system, is that you literally can have a single repository of data. And so many of our customers would have, they have their Macola system, and then they have this other place where they have pictures on the item, and they have links to CAD drawings, and they have, all of an Excel sheet with, just columns and columns of specifications for a particular item. Our system actually handles all of that natively. And so you can literally move all of this into a single database. You can access it then with our web interface, or because of the fact that it's setting in the Macola database, your reseller can actually write crystal reports, or you can access it with Excel, anything in there, because it's all in the same database. And so it makes a very sophisticated product management system as well.